Hello everyone, welcome on your YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Girls Inter College. This is Jyoti Singh. Class 10, we have done with the excretion in organism, human excretory system. Now in this part, we are going to do revision with notes. So you can make the notes in your copy also, you can mark important points and you can write in your copy also. So let's learn about the excretion in details in a revision form.
So children, what is excretion? Excretion is the removal of the following substances. First is the toxic materials, second waste products of metabolism, and the third is excess substances from organisms. Now, excretion is not the same as egestion, which is the passing out of undigested food through the anus as feces. Now in plants need to excrete excess carbon dioxide and oxygen, and carbon dioxide is a waste product of aerobic respiration in plant cells and oxygen is a waste product of photosynthesis. And in case of leaves, unlike the animals, plants do not have specialized excretory organs. So excess carbon dioxide and oxygen are excreted from the plant through the stomata in the leaves. Here, blue arrow is showing you the structure of stomata and the arrow is showing you the exchange of gases through the stomata. Now in human, excretory organs are what? The organs of excretion in humans include the skin, lungs and kidneys. Now the skin, first we will see the skin. Sweat glands in the skin produces sweat. The water in sweat helps to keep the body cool in hot conditions and it contains salts and urea. Here is the cross section of human skin. So here you can see this is a cross section of human skin, right? Now we move with the lungs. Lungs, excess carbon dioxide and some water vapor are removed through the lungs when humans breathe out. And kidneys are what? The kidneys are organs of the urinary system which removes excess water, salt and urea. Now let's learn about the urinary system. Here you can see the blue and the red color veins which are called renal veins. So renal vein carries the deoxygenated blood away from the kidneys, and red color of veins which are called renal artery carries oxygenated blood. And the difference between the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood is, oxygenated blood is the blood which is added with the oxygen, and deoxygenated blood is devoid of oxygen. That means oxygen is not present in this type of blood. Then we have a kidney which regulates water content and filters blood. Then we have a two pipe-like structure which is called ureter, carries urine from the kidneys to the bladder, and at the bottom you can see the bladder or triangle structure is present which is called bladder. At the end you will get urethra. So this is all about the excretory system in humans. Now blood is brought to the kidney in the renal artery. The kidneys filter the blood and then absorb useful materials such as glucose. After it has been purified, the blood returns to the circulation through the renal vein. So I have already shown you this is the renal artery and this is the renal vein. Here you can see the blue color lining is showing the renal vein and the red one is the renal artery. So remember in your mind, urine is taken out from the kidney to the bladder by the ureters. The bladder stores the urine until it is convenient to expel it from the body. Note that ureter differs from the word urethra. The ureters are tubes that carry urine from the kidney to the bladder, whereas the urethra is the tube that carries urine out of the body. Right? Next is the urine. Urine contains water and urea and salts. Urea is produced in the liver when excess amino acids are broken down. It is the main waste product removed in the in the urine.